Little exhaust check. It's always people's favorite things about sport bikes is, you know, what do they sound like? How's it sound? Does it sound good? I think it sounds pretty good. So here is the bike. Here's my baby. There's a 2024 S1000RR. Not the premium package, so I don't have titanium headers, I don't have cruise control, I don't have heated grips, none of that. It's a 194 horsepower piss missile, essentially. And I love it. But here's a exhaust example. So that's what she sounds like. She spits fireballs about that big whenever it's dark out.